I'm Basic 4 teacher, and today we're going to be treating mathematics. Under mathematics, we'll be treating the topic common factors, also known as CF for abbreviation. Now, what are common factors? Common factors are factors that are found in all the given numbers. That means, what this simply means is that if you're given a set of numbers, for you to look for the common factors between or among these numbers, the numbers that are frequent, that means the one you see in all the numbers that you're given, are what we call common factors. But note, please, before we go on, that for common factors you must be given at least 2 or more numbers. You cannot be given one number and asked to look for the common factor. This is very important. Now, for example, you are asked to find the common factors in the following. Number 1, we have 12 and 16. You have to look for the common factors between 12 and 16. Now, let's look for the factors of 12 first. We have 1 times 12, the way we did it last week. Let's go. 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And I think that will be the end of it, yeah? Because if we go on, we will be going back to this way, 6 times 2, and so on. Then we add the factors of 12 as well. Factors of 12 equal 1, because you're going to go in the U-turn manner. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now we're going to look for the factors of 16. The same way we did this one. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, then 4 times 4. The factors of 16 equal 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to look for the common factors between the two numbers. The common factors between the two numbers. Let's go. CF of 12 and 16 equal the one that is in 12 and in 16. That's what this means. So we have 1 in 12, we have 1 in 16. So we write 1. We have 2 in both. We write the 2. No 3. There's 3 here, no 3 here. So we're not going to take it. There's 4 here, we have 4 here. So we take the 4. And that's all. So because the 4 is the last one, we write and 4. So these are the common factors of 12 and 16, which means 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, and 4, pardon me, are the common factors of 12 and 16. We'll follow the same method to do the second example. 18. Let's use another method. 18 equals 1. Everything we find inside 18 times table. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, and 18. I'm taking the shortcuts, which you might need to learn because of examinations. If you find yourself in examination centers, you can't be doing all this. It will be too long and it will take a lot of your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 24. So let's take the common factors. For 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, and 18. Then for 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Now let's take the common ones. You circle them together. We're going to write them out. The ones that are the same. We have 3 here and 3 there. We have 6 here and 6 there. If you notice, I skipped 4 because there's no 4 in 8 times table. And that is it. Now, the common factors, CF, of 18 and 24 equals, the ones we circled are what we're going to write out. 1, 2, 3, and 6. Thank you very much. Till we meet next time, I would want for you to do this assignment for me. Look for the common factors. Identify the common factors in the following. Number 1, 15 and 45, 20 and 36. Number 3, 30 and 48. Then lastly, 32 and 36. Have a wonderful day. Please stay safe. Thank you.